Hello. In this session, we are going to focus on circular linked list. So, a linked list in which last node points to the head or first node is called as a circular linked list. The circular linked list have neither a beginning nor a end. The next field in the last node contains a pointer back to the first node rather than null pointer. Right? So see, this is how the list is created. We have the number of nodes, and till now we have seen that the last node points to null, right? But here, in case of circular linked list, the last node's next pointer contains the address of first node. Okay? And in this way, it completes a circle, a loop, and that's why it is called as a circular linked list. So what are the advantages and disadvantages? So no fixed header, right? In the circular linked list, we can't claim that this is the first node or a header. So we can shift entry pointer to any other node, right? Suppose right now the head is pointing to this. We say this is head, but we can say 5 can also be the head, or 7 can also be the head, because there is no beginning, no end. We must have at least one entry pointer into the list. But we can head can point to any node can become the first node, but at least one node should be the first node in the list. You must have at least one node. What is the disadvantage? Care must be taken while processing, otherwise we may get into the infinite loop. If you don't properly adjust the pointers, then you might stuck into the infinite loop while dealing or processing with the circular linked list. Now, there are two types of circular linked list. Previously, already we have seen that there is a singular linked list and there is a doubly linked list. Now, circular linked list can be singular or it can be a doubly linked list. So, based on that, we have these two types. Circular singly linked list. A circular singly linked list, the last node of the list contains a pointer to the first node of the list. Here we can traverse the circular linked list until we reach to the same node where we have started. The circular singly linked list has no beginning or end. No null value is present in the next part of any node. Okay, the next part of all node contains some or the other address. Null is not there in any of the node's next part, or no node points to the null. Okay, and using the circular linked list we can traverse in a one direction. Now circular doubly linked list. Circular doubly linked list has the properties of both double linked list and a circular linked list, in which two consecutive elements are linked or connected by the previous and the next pointer, and the last node points to the first node by the next pointer, and also the first node points to the last node by the previous pointer. Means what? See, this is suppose first node. First node ka previous is given by the last node. Okay, and last node ka next is given by the first node ka previous. Okay. Now, how the circular linked list is represented in C++, the code for that. So, class node, we have integer data and we have only one pointer. Here we are going to see single circular linked list. Okay, so only one pointer is there. Next, and this is a parameterized constructor. So public node, we can have this dot data is equal to data and this dot next is equal to null. Then let us see some operations that we can perform on circular linked list. The way we have created the list, we have added the elements, we have deleted the elements from the list. Similar operations are applicable for the circular linked list also. So let us first see creation of circular linked list. So create new node and enter the data in the field. So you have to create such type of new node. Okay, so new node, you have the data and you have the next pointer. Next pointer should point to null. Okay, so with the help of this parameterized constructor just now we have seen, we can create the new node. And now how you have to connect it to itself? So see, if first is equal to null, that means this is my new node, this is my first node, and it is null, right? There is no list, so only one node is there. So what you have to do? First is equal to new. So first is equal to new, okay, and new of next is equal to first. You have to say this new node is itself a first node, and you have to say new of next. उसका next field में किसका address आएगा? उसका खुद का address आएगा. New of next is equal to first, so it will point to itself. Okay. If you want to attach new node, then attach it after the first node and make it circular. Now suppose this is the list I was having, only one node. Now there is one more node, say 20, and I want to attach this new node to the previous node. So what you have to do? You will require a pointer, say temp. Temp is equal to first. Okay. So temp में first को move कर देना है. So now your first and temp both will point to the first node. And while temp of next is not equal to first, but temp of next कौन है? ये new node. While temp of next is not equal to first, temp is equal to temp of next. Initially temp of next कौन है? ये खुद है. Okay. So you have to do temp is equal to temp of next. Temp of next यहाँ पे आएगा. Then what you have to do? Temp of next is equal to new. तो ये temp of next कौन आएगा? New आएगा. And new of next कौन जाएगा? First. तो new of next ये field में कौन जाएगा? First. Okay. The same thing is elaborated over here. Then insert a node at a first position. Now suppose I have a circular linked list in place. There are multiple elements, multiple nodes, and say 10, 20, 30. This is the circular linked list with these three nodes, and the new node is 40 at address 4000. And I want to add this 40, okay, as an first element in the circular linked list. Before 10, I want to add it. Okay. So what you have to do? While temp of next is not equal to first, तो आपको सर्च करना पड़ेगा कि कहाँ से. सपोज हेड मतलब फर्स्ट 10 वाला नोड है, सो यू हैव टू सर्च के लास्ट वाला नोड कौन सा है. सो you have to do temp is equal to first, right? And then temp you have to traverse. Temp of next not equal to first. Generally we check temp of next is not equal to null, but यहाँ पे क्या चेक करना है कि temp of next जब तक first नहीं होता है तब तक आपको temp is equal to temp of next करना है. So in this case, check out the node 1. For node 1, temp of next is what? 2000. Okay. So it is not the first node's address. Then go to the temp is equal to temp of next. So here temp of next is equal to 3000. It is not equal to the first node's address. So go to the temp is equal to temp of next. Here temp of next is equal to 1000, and 1000 is the address of first node, right? So here we have to insert our new node 40. So what you have to do? You have to just change the pointers. Okay, we have done this. Now temp of next is equal to new. ये temp था, temp of next is equal to new. तो temp of next में अभी क्या value जाएगा? 4000, which is the address of new. When you add the address 4000 over here, it will start pointing to the new node. And now new of next is equal to first. What is new of next? 1000 आपको यहाँ पे डालना है. Okay, पहले null था, यहाँ पे अभी 1000 डालना है. So it will start pointing to the first node. And then you have to say first is equal to new. मतलब ये जो नया था node 40 वाला उसको अभी first बोलना है. Okay. Similarly, you can insert node at a last position. So for to insert at a last position, same thing you have to do. Well, temp of next is not equal to first. Temp is equal to temp of next. Then उसके बाद temp of next is equal to new बोलना है और new of next को first बोलना है. That's it. Same logic है. See, यहाँ पे ऐड किया, यहाँ पे ऐड किया, same है. Okay. So you have to traverse through all three nodes, and then here at this position you have to add 40. So what you are going to do? Temp of next is equal to new node. See, temp of next is equal to new, and new of next is equal to first. Same. बस यहाँ पे आपको एक लाइन नहीं करना है. मैंने लास्ट इसमें क्या बोला था कि first is equal to new, बट अभी वहां पे ये नहीं बोलना है, बिकॉज दिस इज द लास्ट नोड वी हैव एडेड. जब हम लोग फर्स्ट पोर्शन पे ऐड करते हैं तो वन मोर लाइन वी हैव रिटन ओवर देयर, फर्स्ट इज इक्वल टू न्यू. मतलब जो नया नोड है उसको हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट बोला था, अभी फर्स्ट यही रहेगा, and this will become the last node. 40 will become the last node. Okay. Now displaying the circular linked list. So what you have to do, while temp of next is not equal to first, print temp of data and temp is equal to temp of next. Okay, you have to traverse the list जब तक वो first को point नहीं करता है, and simultaneously you have to print the data of the temp. This will display your circular linked list. Now after that, let us see how to delete a node from the circular linked list. So if there is one node and we want to delete, then simply we have to set first is equal to null. Okay, automatically it will get deleted. If suppose number which we want to delete is not present in the list, print such message that the list is out of bounds or like this. And then you can set the variable flag is equal to 0 initially and search for the node to be deleted. And if we get it, we have to set the flag to 1 and then delete the node. Okay, so see, delete the first node of data 10. So I have this circular linked list in place just now we have created, and now suppose I want to delete the very first node with data 10. So what pointers you need to update? So we are going to use two pointers, new and temp. So first is equal to first of next. इसको ही मुझे change करना था ना. So first is equal to first of next. Now first was pointing to whom? 2000. Okay, so it will start pointing to first of next. Okay, likewise, and then new of next is equal to first. जो new था, new of next is equal to first. Okay, and then temp of next is equal to null. ये temp यहाँ पे point out करा था, new last वाले को point out करा था. So temp of next में मैंने बोल दिया null. तो जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे null बोल दिया, so it will not point anymore to the first node. First is equal to first of next मैंने कर लिया था, right? First का pointer मैंने आगे कर लिया था, second node को first point कर रहा था, then new of next मैंने first बोला, right? तो ये link establish हो गया, and after that I have said temp of next is equal to null. So when I say temp of next is equal to null, the 10th वाला node जो है, it will have no contact with the first, and then you can free the temp or you can delete the temp. Now delete node specified at some position, right? Suppose in this particular list I want to delete a node at position 2, that is node 20 I want to delete. Okay, so again you will require two pointers, one point to the node which we want to delete and other point to the previous node. Okay, so we have a temp and we have a node and we have a first also pointer which points to the first node. Now what you have to do, you have to delete this node, temp wala node. Okay, so what you have to do, a of next is equal to temp of next. So a of next अभी क्या है 20 है, मुझे उसको क्या करना है, temp of next को connect करना है. तो a of next directly will become the temp of next मतलब 30, and then temp of next क्या बोलना है, null, मतलब temp of next का जो field है that will be null. So a of next से मेरा connection हट जाएगा and I can delete the node 20. Okay, now if you want to delete the last node in the list, temp and pointer points to the last node which we want to delete and previous node to it. So what you have to do, a of next is equal to first. आपका जो a of next है उसको आपको क्या बोलना है, first बोलना है, and फिर temp of next को null बोलना है. It will not have any contact and then you can free or delete the temp.